Okay. What a fucking helicopter. Puff Corp. Kind of a fucking weird name for a company. Oh, can I look around? No, I can't. Fisheye, Kelvin, Edward Puffton. Oh shit. Okay, that guy's fucking dead. The other guy's dead. Yeah, don't fucking help him at all. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, now you help, dipshit. Okay, that guy's fucking dead. God damn. How fucking deep is this shit? Who the fuck are you? What?
The hell?
Oh, I have fucking big heads on. This is fucking ridiculous.
Why?
I was like, I was
Oh,
like,
come on next to me.
I was like, what are these fucking proportions?
What's up? You see me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my god, dude, you gotta. Ryan, here, I'm gonna screen share. You gotta see this shit.
Turn that shit off, dude. That's uncomfortable.
Oh my god. That's fucking hilarious, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, this dude got fucked up. See this
Yep.
guy? Wait. Wait, look. Does it show I'm helping this guy up?
Yeah, yeah,
So he got like brain damage?
yeah. Look at him.
Oh shit. His ears are bleeding and everything, yeah.
Yeah, I think he's fucked. You look like fucking Elliot Alderson from fucking Mr. Robot.
Oh, we can make him like follow us. I have a rock.
Hey, fuck you.
It's not doing damage to you.
It is. It literally is.
Oh, my screen. Oh shit.
You fucking
My
killed
screen,
me.
you had full health. You had full health on my screen.
You fucking killed me, dude. Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Well, I found a cave. And a skull. I have a skull now, so.
Nice. It's always good to have a skull. You wanna go in the cave? Fuck it. Deep dick.
Yeah. Yo, it's an inner tube. Look at this. Is it pushing it on my screen? Are you sure?
What?
You see the tube? Right
Yeah.
here? Oh. Wait.
Yo, we need to help him, dude. Get him the fucking air tube thing.
He's drowning.
No, here you go, bro. Yo, he's wearing it too. Look.
Wait. Wait, I can't see it. Uh-oh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yo. I'll keep the flare out. You kill it, okay?
I can't even see it.
Here. Oh, shit.
Is this one of those moments where we just fuck off?
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put axe as my one instead. Axe can be used to cut down trees.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh. Did you hit him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. He
You
can't die, though.
wanna... dude, there's an enemy on me.
Alright, let's go fucking kill him. Where's he at?
Like, literally on me. He's running.
Let's fucking ping pong this bitch, huh?
Yeah, pussy. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you fucking like that bitch, huh?
Alright, we're gonna this. Is there more? Oh, there's more.
Fucking ankle biter, fuck you. Die. Yeah, I fucking jumped her like a bitch. What's
you grab
up?
that one, I'll grab the other one.
What's up? What's up?
Alright, here's our dinner. I made another log storage.
Yo, fucking bones for days, dude.
Wait, why are we burning them? I thought we wanted food.
I got their arms and their legs.
Oh, okay.
he just walks right through the fire. Yo, bro, fucking put him down. Oh my. Look at him.
Coming.
Look at him. Well, we should use those for like when.
Well, I accidentally ate it already, so.
I don't like your fucking tone. I don't like your fucking tone, guy. Yeah, run away.
Me?
Run away. Fucking guy just dropped a log on my head and then ran away like a bitch. Oh my god, who is that?
She's the third leg.
Yeah, I'm like a third arm.
Should we hit her up?
Oh, don't kill her. She's just running. Maybe she's gonna help us. She's not attacking us. Wait, is she like pointing to enemies or some shit? Yo, would you smash?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, what the fuck am I looking at? Ping pong.
Fucking gremlin. Fuck. You wanna fucking die? You wanna fucking die? You wanna fucking die?
Oh, he jumped. Get him. Ping pong, bitch. Ping pong.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yo,
What's
fucking,
up,
we got an
bitchy?
arm for breakfast.
You need help?
I'm gonna fucking fuck it shit up. I killed him. No, I didn't. Could use some help over here. Oh, yeah, I killed him now. I killed him.
Did you drop the chainsaw?
Yeah, he did, but another boyfriend pulled up.
No breath.
What the fuck was that sound? What the fuck?
Sorry, I finally had food.
Well, I can't even pick it up. It's just skin pouch.
What's up?
Look, Dude, this guy farted when he died. I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh shit, we got a fucking homie.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got some more fucking arms and legs.
Oh.
We got some more food. Oh, I got another one over here. Come on, he's giving me a free headshot. What? How'd I miss that? Pussy.
Alright, I have a burnt arm in my...
Yo, we got all the fucking food in the world over here now. No, I can't do like a standing stick.
Yeah, you can. You hit right click.
Oh. There
Yeah.
you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
That's right.
What's good?
That's right. Here, let's go get more heads. Let's just start fucking.
Oh, we got more head. Another head right here. Got a fucking idiot running across the field.
Oh, pulling out the spear. Oh, I missed.
I missed two.
You'll make great for our collection. That's what I'm saying, dude. They're trophies. Yeah. That's right.
If only we started doing this earlier, dude, we'd have like this entire section done by now. Yeah, wanna get fucking speared, cunt? Wanna get fucking speared, cunt?
Where's the other one? Oh, it's on the rock over here. Come towards us. Oh, I missed. Fuck. Yeah.
Yeah, what's good? What's up?
Oh no, that's right.
I'm getting this fucking head.
Get the head. I'll go get the other one.
Yeah, if you can carry more than one, that'd be huge. Just gonna chop away for like 10 minutes. Oh, I got it. Nice. Oh, right in the fucking bunghole.
I got 3 around me.
I fucking one-shotted her again. I hit her right in the fucking noggin. What the fuck?
Yo, it's painkiller time, Steve.
We can get painkillers down there, you think?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh, nice eyeballs, dude.
And email. Thought you might find this interesting. Artifact 1 might be related to that cube you guys found. Do you see that on your screen?
No, you're reading it.
It's the paper over here?
Yeah, I see it now. I can't fucking read it because of the light. That's
How do I
cool.
put it away? Oh, do we need a key card?
Yeah, I probably need to get a key card. Maybe somewhere in
let's go.
here. I mean, that'd be
Yeah, let's go.
fucking too.
Wait,
What the fuck?
give me the fucking head. Where is it? Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Well, you hold the head out while doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on. Right on that bitch. Oh, fuck. I fucked up the... Look there. We should just have them all looking like all different directions. Well, you didn't get this guy's head, bruh. Fuck, what are you doing?
Wait, I'm trying to figure out how to build this door. Oh, you cut it in half. I gotta cut this. There we go.
Ew, I'm eating the raw arm, bruh. What the fuck? Ryan, I just got teleported. I'm
Where?
under the fucking map. Bro, look where I am. I'm stuck.
Free headshot, one shot, bitch. One shot. You just got one shotted.
Yo, let me grab some of those arms.
Yo, his buddy's gonna get fucked too.
Oh yeah, his buddy's gonna give us some more food too.
Oh, double one shot. Oh my god. All right, take your head. I'll take the other head.
Yeah, be careful when you like pick up fucking bodies.
All right, I got a head.
I'm getting all pieces of the fucking.
I don't know if you can.
I am
Didn't you
getting
take your
all
food?
appendages.
Didn't you take your food?
What? No, I didn't take all of it.
I can't carry any more legs. I can probably get some arms. They make arms so hard to fucking get. There we go. Raw arm.
I didn't get any of the arms that I got. They just disappeared into the fucking realm. Oh, I didn't get his head either. Hold on. Where's his body? Oh, no, I did chop his head off. Wait, unless I'm dumb. You know, I chopped it. Oh, there it is.
I can't carry any more arms or legs. There's an arm over here you can pick up.
Trying to get this.
Grab it.
Oh, this fucker's head disappeared. Oh well.
Here, come grab it.
Where? Arm? Yeah, arm where? Arm. I got the arm. W.
Alright. Keep moving.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's actually a lot closer than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like in the fucking mountains or some shit.
Hopefully it's another restocker, you know what I mean?
Hell yeah, dude.
And we can go explore the purple things. We'll probably like...
We can probably go
Yo, I
straight
made
to
this
the...
squirrel! Oh,
Right.
I barely missed it. Fuck. Wait, I'm gonna get this fucker. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it!
Nice.
Holy shit, I'm nuts!
Fucking crackhead over here.
Get some raw meat, dude. Fuck yeah. Yo,
Oh,
what the fuck?
We're farming. We're farming it. Did you get it too?
Yo, double, yeah.
Oh, nice. We gotta time that now. Now we know that's a thing.
Okay. Oh, here, wait. Yo. Oh, there we got it. Ready?
Yeah. Go.
3.
Go.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Right.
Fuck that 3 to 1 shit, dude. Just go. Yeah.
I still need painkillers super bad. I have like no health.
Oh, there's a
dude.
little camp over here. With the fucking.
Yo, what the
There's
fuck?
a bitch over here. Bitch over here. Yo, free headshot. Wait, maybe he's friendly. No, he's not friendly. Oh. Bitch.
You got 2 spears in you, buddy. What's going on?
What happened? What happened, buddy?
Yo, he's copying us, but like not as cool. What the fuck?
You know what I say to that? Oh, you can't
Take it
fucking.
down.
We can't take him down.
Aw.
That's so dumb, bro.
Oh, there's
No.
coins. Coins. Yeah, that's right. And a watch. Nice. That's right. Oh, more coins.
Oh, give me an arm. Give me an arm. Give me an arm.
Is this the thing on the map?
I need
Is
a
this
head,
where
too.
the window is? Oh, no, yeah. Yeah, get his head.
Where's his head? Where's his head? Dude, this is the second head I've lost.
Isn't it?
Another guy.
Wait, there's batteries over here, too.
Yo, I killed. Yeah, run, bitch.
Yeah, that's right. Your whole fucking colony just got fucked.
Yeah, what's up? Oh my god.
Right.
Dude, this guy's body's ready on my screen, bro.
Raided and pillaged.
Dude, he's like up on his fucking. He's like in missionary right now, bro. He's in missionary. Just like
Did you
pile
get-
driver
you get-
missionary.
Did you get the... let me pop a leg really quick. Or
A
is it
what?
Cooked? I'm gonna pop some food.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna pop a leg too.
Yeah, get double fucked. Double fucked.
Nice. Wait, I can skin this guy.
Wait, really?
What am I fucking
Oh,
taking
yeah.
off of this
What?
guy? What the fuck, yo? Creepy armor? I guess that guy was supposed to be a
that's the
boss.
Armor, remember?
This guy was supposed to be a
Remember?
boss or something.
That's the armor we put on ourselves, right? Remember in the last game? We put
Yeah,
it on
yeah.
ourselves?
Maybe there's like an upgraded armor. So like you have creepy armor and then you have like something else
Wait,
for the bosses.
We need to make we need to make sure we skin at the same time so we can double up.
Okay, well these are already done.
Yeah, I know. But there was another guy over here.
Wait, there's a fucking document over here. This is what we are looking for. Yeah, what the fuck am I looking at?
What is that? Fucking herpes?
Like, what is that? You're right. Oh, what the fuck is that? Yo,
Grenade it.
grenade
Throw
time,
it.
grenade
Throw it.
time. Hey, yo, fucker, you wanna die? There you go. See what we got. Yeah. I got a fucking raw leg from that. That guy got one tapped. Time bomb right on the thing over here. Time bomb on this
Yeah,
guy.
dude. Oh, we were probably supposed to grab the time bomb and throw it at him. Whatever, who gives a fuck? Go left. I go left.
Oh, they went right for you, bro.
Oh my god, I fucking took his head off. Wait, can we skin? Oh yeah, okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh fuck!
I told you there were
Give me
3.
that.
There, you got that. Yeah, he took his arm off.
Okay. Oh my god, we have so much shit.
Oh, big dude, big dude, big dude, boss dude. I hit him.
I'm literally one tap and I'm dead.
I killed it. It's dead. It's dead.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Go.
That guy fucking pulled up out of nowhere. Where the fuck did he come from? What? I don't look like. Oh. Oh my god, he's got a fucking vagina for a fucking head and a face and a fucking upper body.
Make sure you block.
It's dead. It's dead. Also gotta pop an energy bar.
Crawler. Oh my god, we gotta. Oh, what the fuck is that?
Yo, I'm gonna whip out the Molotovs. You keep him distracted. I'm gonna craft some.
In this corner.
Oh fuck. You wanna fucking burn, motherfucker, huh?
Where is the lighter in the inventory? Steve, where's the lighter in the inventory?
It's like on the right side. It's dead. I killed it. What? Fucking go in on this fucking cunt. It took more damage to you than I took from the fucking cannibals. Oh my god. There's a lot of them. Yeah, we do not need to, yeah, we don't need to double team them. Oh, fuck. Unless we're getting attacked. They don't even fucking fight back.
Alright, time to skin and then we'll pop all this fucking armor. Oh yeah. I popped all of it, dude.
Guy
Fuck yeah.
Pulling up, I think.
Look at me.
Oh my god. You are fucking, you look like a freak.
What the fuck?
Want me to
Alright,
get
let
the
me-
fucking molly out or what? Oh fuck,
Oh,
yo, he's
fuck me.
sprinting. Now we'll just chip away at him.
Going for a hit and then back up. Oh, I lost one of my armor already.
Oh yeah, same.
Alright.
Oh well, we're getting it back right
Yeah,
here.
just pop another one. Yeah, just pop it. Ready? Go. Pop it back on.
There you get full armor every 2 milliseconds. How many fucking people did they kill?
That's what I'm saying,
Like,
bro.
holy shit, dude.
You'd think they'd get fucking guns at some point.
These people are bots. Like, what? Oh, there's still a baby left. Oh, fuck them. Whatever. What's it gonna do? Nothing? More babies.
Wait, test it out. Get hit.
No, why would I do that?
Oh wait, no, you can. I just took one. Maybe it's just stronger. I don't
Dude,
know.
you just got a 2-for-1 deal. Cause I'm not a head ass. What is this?
Wait, you went the wrong way.
Yeah, there's no. You can't even go. It's just a dead end. Weird.
Rope gun. Oh
Huh?
shit, zipline.
Dude,
Fuck
oh
yeah.
shit.
Fucking Pathfinder.
Fucking Pathfinder over here. Just a fucking.
There's a cave.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
Can we save?
Want to make like a temporary shelter real quick out here? We can't do it in
Okay.
caves, I don't think. Oh, we might be able to actually. Hold on. I don't know.
I'm in the wall.
What do you mean in the wall?
There we go. I was stuck in the wall. Oh fuck, Steve, come in here.
Hold on. What's up? Oh,
This has
what
to be
the
like-
fuck, yo? Maybe key card in here?
Yeah,
Perhaps?
that's what I'm thinking. 3D printer.
Wait, why do I have motion blur on? Hold on.
Wait, parallel universes
No, I don't.
book.
Yo, wait, we could.
Oh, we can save and sleep right here.
Wait, we could 3D print shit. Oh yeah,
3D print grappling hooks.
we can, dude. You can. That's sick. That's what the printer resin is for. It's so you can fucking print shit.
Mask? Oh, let's
Yo,
make masks.
We could sleep here too and eat.
Wait,
Or
I'm
fucking
making
save.
masks.
What else can we make? Grappling hooks, tech mesh, sled. We can make a fucking sled. 1,000. I'm chopping it off. I'm making a sled. And then I'm saving. Oh, how about we just explore the rest of the fucking thing? Yeah, that's definitely how 3D printing works. Yep. Just fucking appears out of nowhere. Then Ryan, make a sled.
The hell?
A nice wall. What the fuck, yo? I don't need my flashlight out. Wait, there's a fucking watch over here. It's on the thing. On the bed. Oh, money? Watch? Nice, dude. Oh, we need another fucking key card, dude.
Fuck.
Where are we getting these fucking key cards from?